Hello, my dear YouTube family. How are you? This video is a very short one because I have an invitation for you to spend more time together. Yes, we can spend more time together. Isn't that awesome? And when? Well, tomorrow. Tomorrow, Saturday, the 15th of November. Check your time zones because I will be broadcasting 3 hours together with you live from 5 p.m. Central European Time till 8. What is this invitation about? It's an invitation for a masterclass called The Art of Emotional Intelligence. How you can come home to yourself by creating a safe space within you. Yeah, promising, isn't it? It absolutely is. And this is why I'm so excited. This is your opportunity for you to understand that you can step into your own transformation. There will be moments that I guide you, facilitate practices that you can implement in your life straight away after the masterclass. Because things need to be practical as well, so we can move forward on this journey and really become that version of us who we actually feel we are already, even though our circumstances are not really showing that so far to us right now. It's about transformation for you to step into ownership. Ownership that you have the capacity, your innate capacity to transform your life from where you are now to where you want to be. And there may be a lot of contrast right now in your life. You may feel like there's this discrepancy, like this, it's the harsh difference from the reality that you want to live and the reality that you're living right now. And there's ways to step into the wisdom, the knowledge, the information that is there because of what happens in your life right now. And to open up those blind spots and really own the things that can help your life dramatically. So this is what it's about. I'm so excited. I will share with you my personal story. I will share with you tools. There's an invitation for us to work together longer after it. Click the link below in the comments. And if you want to have some more information, you can also type the word masterclass and then I can send you some more information. All right, that's it for now. Rather short, I told you. I'm so excited to see you and to spend more time together with you, ladies and men. And have a wonderful Friday wherever you are. And see you. See you. It's live on YouTube and over Zoom. So make sure that you're there so you can have all the benefits straight away and you can engage. How beautiful is that? Talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.